We're going to talk about living things. Cells. What is a cell? Cells are the basic unit of life. As humans, they have life processes that are nutrition, reproduction, and sensitivity. If a living thing has one cell, it is unicellular, and if it has more than one cell, it is multicellular. Parts of a cell. The cytoplasm is a substance where all organelles are. The nucleus is the brain of the cell. Chromosomes create genes and are inside the nucleus. The endoplasmic reticulum helps transporting materials. Mitochondria is in charge of respiration, and lysosomes in charge of digest food. Golgi bodies mix proteins with other substances, and ribosomes mix proteins for the cell. Levels of organization. Many cells together form a tissue. Many tissues together form an organ. Many organs together form an organ system, and all the organ systems combined form an organism. 5 kingdoms. Animalia. They are multicellular and feed in other living things. Most can move. Their cells have nucleus. Plantae. They are multicellular and also producers. They make their food using water, sunlight, and salt minerals. They can't move because they are fixed by roots. Their cells have nucleus. Fungi. They can be unicellular or multicellular. They feed in other living things. They don't move. They are decomposers. That means that the living things they eat are dead. Their cells have chitin, that is a molecule. Protista. They can be unicellular or multicellular. Some protists, like algae, are producers. They have cells with nucleus. Most can move. They don't have nervous system. Monera. They are multicellular. That includes bacteria. Some are producers. They don't have nucleus. Blue-green algae is a bacteria because it's prokaryotic nature. As we saw before, algae is protista, but this algae isn't protista, it's Monera because it's sterile. Taxonomy. This is the organization of living things by groups that are domain, kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, species. There is an Spanish sentence for remembering these words, that is, dos, domain, kilos, kingdom, patatas, phylum, con, class, oregano, order, fino, family, gran, genus, sabor, species. Animalia, vertebrates and invertebrates. Vertebrates. There are 5 types of vertebrates that are mammals, birds, reptiles, amphibians, and fish. Mammals are viviparous, and their body covering is hair. They breathe with lungs. They have legs and arms. 2 groups are rodents and carnivores, and they are called warm-blooded. Birds are oviparous, and their body covering is feathers. They breathe with lungs. They have legs and wings. 2 groups are jackiebird and tweetybird, and they are warm-blooded. Reptiles are oviparous, and their body covering is scales. They breathe with lungs. They have legs and snakes slither. 2 groups are snakes and lizards, and they are cold-blooded. Amphibians are oviparous. They don't have body covering. When they are babies, they breathe with gills, and when they are adults, they breathe with lungs. When they are babies, they have a tail, and when they are adults, they have legs. 2 groups are with tail and without tail, and they are cold-blooded. Fish is oviparous, and their body covering is scales. They breathe with gills. They have fins. 2 groups are cartilaginous and bony, and they are cold-blooded. Invertebrates. There are 6 types of invertebrates. There are sponges, cnidarians, worms, mollusks, echinoderms, and arthropods. Sponges are aquatic and they are attached. They filter the water to get nutrients, for example, calcarea. Cnidarians are aquatic and they are also attached. They are poisonous, for example, jellyfish. Worms are both and they slither, so they don't have legs, for example, earthworm. Mollusks are also both, and most can move. Also, most have an external shell, for example, a snail. Echinoderms are aquatic. They don't move. Many of them have spines, for example, sea urchin. Arthropods are also both, and they use their legs for moving about. They have a segmented body, for example, a spider. The end. Thanks for watching. Bye!